Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing another step-by-step process video where I'm showing you how I actually set up for one of my photo shoots. And so this photo shoot idea is called the past life photo shoot, and I'll actually put in the description box my whole thought process and what I'm actually envisioning with this photo idea. But before we get started, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so the channel continue to grow, and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do, as you can see, is I'm putting up a white sheet. Then I'm going to grab another colorful looking sheet. This one kind of has like a wavy leaf pattern on it. And so since this one is a bit shorter than the white sheet, I'm going to at least try to get it at least halfway. And then I'm going to grab another white sheet to be the floor of this photo shoot. The next thing I did was I grabbed this black bench that I actually had in my bedroom, and so I opened it up like if it was like a coffin, and I'm actually taping the flowers on the back side of the top of the bench. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to grab my longer size flowers and put them on both of the ends of the bench, and I'm actually going to tie it with some rubber bands to hold it into place. Next, we're going to grab like some houseplants. So I have these two baskets filled with leaves that I'm putting on each of the ends of the bench. And then I'm actually going to grab my colorful flowers that have no stems and place that into like 3 rows. And try to like mix up the colors so that you get that rainbow effect. So the next thing I grabbed was a painting easel that I had in my bedroom, and now I'm putting these red bouquet flowers on each of the ends. And now I'm going to show you guys what the whole idea looks like once you're finished, and then we'll head over to taking the photos. So this actually concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Stay tuned for my next photo shoot idea, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.